Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you can read from the title, I'm so sorry for the traffic noise. I'm going to color my hair. I colored my hair like thrice this year because the first two times it was way too light and then I had to finally darken it. So I am really having trust issues. I'm really scared to color my hair again. I'm filming the intro again because the intro I filmed before coloring has a lot of noise in the background. I've already colored my hair. I've tied it back so you can't see. Already you must have seen it in the thumbnail and Instagram, but still I didn't want to ruin the fun. I know I said I won't color my hair this year. I was going to color it on my birthday next year in Jan, but I'm having my second wedding reception in December, on 10th December. You must be wondering why second. So it had got postponed due to COVID. It was for my relatives. The Goa reception was for his relatives. So anyway, we're having the second reception, so I thought I'll just have a fresh color before the reception. That's why I did it. And I was very skeptical, very skeptical, because in the past 1 year I have got my hair colored 3-4 times. First 2 times lightened my hair and both times I hated it, did not like it. I damaged my hair a lot, and so I was really scared. I did not want that thing to happen again. So with a lot of courage I finally did it and I loved it. Okay, that's a spoiler. I loved it. And if you're wondering why my makeup is looking patchy, it's because the color had got on my face, so they had used some stain remover. Most probably you don't care, but I just wanted to let you know. So let's just get started with the vlog now. और 2-3 है, मतलब सिमिलर वैसे चाहिए।
मेन यही है।
क्या हुआ?
ये तो पिक्चर पे चेंज हो जाता है कलर।
ब्राउन भी चाहिए, थोड़ा सा रेडिश, और ज़्यादा लाइट नहीं चाहिए, थोड़ा टचअप भी करना है। ग्लोबल ना?
हाँ।
और ये हाईलाइट्स।
Some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same. Everywhere is painted with your name. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here. Try to replace you with somebody out there. If I didn't chase you, would you even care? And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.
So this is the finished result. I loved this color in the sun. It looks even more vibrant, which I love. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't stop admiring this color. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and sometimes Wednesday. So please don't forget to subscribe. And now I'm gonna stare at my hair while you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.